Hello everyone, welcome back to this session. We have already completed the second chapter and now we will see the exercise part of this chapter. So the question A is fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. So the first question is a computer understands dash language. So the answer of this question is binary. Computer understands binary language. A dash is the smallest unit of measurement. A bit is smaller unit of measurement. So the second answer is bit. Third one, dash memory is also known as internal memory. So, dear students, primary memory, we have learned this. Primary memory is also known as internal memory. Dash is read write memory. So, RAM is the read write memory because students we can read data from RAM and also we can write data on RAM. A Blu-ray disc is an optical storage media. So write down these questions in your notebook. Next question is tick the correct option. Now see, the first question is a collection of 8 bits is called a byte. When you think about 8 bits, it is collectively called as a byte. Remember this. Dash is non-volatile memory. Dear students, we know that RAM is a volatile memory. The data written on the RAM vanishes when the power goes off, and ROM is non-volatile memory. So the answer is ROM. Third one, an optical storage media that is circular in shape is CD, DVD, both A and B and only A. So these are the four options. We can say that CD is circular in shape. We already know that, and DVD is also circular in shape. So that is why the answer is both A and B, that is C option. Now fourth question, a storage device that is small in size and resistant from scratches and dust. The answer is pen drive. Okay, pen drive is actually scratch and dust resistant. Now dash is recordable and write once format, and the answer of this question is DVD-R. DVD recordable, because DVD RW means we can write data multiple times. We have already seen this. The answer is DVD-R. Question C is state true or false. The first question in that is two states of computer are on represented by 1 and off represented by 0. So the answer is true. Computer has two states, on represented by 1 and off represented by 0. Correct. Primary memory is called external or auxiliary memory. This is wrong. This is false, because primary memory is called as the internal memory. Okay. So this one is false. Hard disk is a magnetic storage device. Yes. Answer is true. USB stands for Universal Search Bus. Answer is false, because dear students, USB stands for Universal Serial Bus, not Search Bus. So this is false. A Blu-ray can hold up to 50 GB of data. Answer is true. A Blu-ray can hold up to 50 to 70 GB of data, but they have given 50. So right, 50 to 70 GB. It comes under that given range. Now let us see the D question, that is match the following. ROM 1024 MB, external RAM and and 1024 ZB, that is zettabyte. Okay, and MB means megabyte. So let us see first of all ROM. ROM is a non-volatile memory. So in front of one you can write this option ROM match with non-volatile. Next one 1024 MB. 1024 MB. I have told you the trick, dear students. The Hindi sentence बाइक की मरम्मत गैरेज तक, बाइक का नाम पेजी बीजी, and then in that by using that sentence you can remember all the computer memories. So 1024 MB megabyte is equal to 1 GB. So the answer is C. Okay, now third one external. Okay, external memory is also called as auxiliary memory. External is equivalent to auxiliary. RAM. RAM is main memory. You can say RAM is a main memory. 1024 zettabyte. It means the remaining part, that is 1 yottabyte. Now question is find the odd one out. Now dear students, they have given words volatile, main, ROM and internal. Volatile, RAM memory is volatile memory. RAM memory is also a main memory. RAM memory is internal memory also. So the odd one is ROM. Okay, circle this. BIOS, 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 RAM, ROM, non-volatile. So ROM is non-volatile, so these are same. BIOS program, that is basic input output system, this is the program which we install on ROM, so it is associated with ROM. So the odd one is RAM, because these are associated with each other, BIOS and ROM and non-volatile. Fine. So next one external, secondary, CD and RAM. Dear students, external memory is also called as secondary memory, and CD is example of external memory or secondary memory. So that is why these three are associated with each other. The odd one is RAM. Circle this. ROM, secondary memory, pen drive, memory card. Dear students, secondary memory, pen drive, memory card, these are associated. Why? Because pen drive and memory card are the external memory or secondary memory. So ROM is internal memory, or we can say the primary memory. So circle this. DVD, primary memory, pen drive, hard disk. DVD is external memory, pen drive is external memory, hard disk is external memory, and primary memory stands alone here. So that is why this one is odd one. Now let us discuss these questions. Answer the following questions. So these are descriptive types of questions. You have to write at least two lines of these questions. List 5 units of measurements. So we measure different things. We measure sugar in kilogram. We measure oil in liters or kilogram also. So you can write kilogram, liter and kilometer, meter. These are different units of measurements. You can write any 5 units of measurement. Second question is differentiate between RAM and ROM. Write only two points. First point of RAM, you can write RAM is known as the primary memory, and second point you can write RAM is a volatile memory. Okay, ROM, you can write ROM is a primary memory, and ROM actually it is what? It is non-volatile memory. Okay, write two points only. Next, primary memory and secondary memory. You can write in first point in primary memory as primary memory is also known as internal memory. In secondary memory, you can write secondary memory is also called as external or auxiliary memory. Second point of primary memory, you can write the examples RAM and ROM. Examples RAM and ROM. Secondary memory, you can write examples pen drive and hard disk. Okay. Explain the need of secondary storage devices. Here you have to write by your own. You can write that primary memory is not sufficient to store the data. That is why we require the secondary storage devices such as hard disk, pen drive, memory card, etc. Which secondary device you use the most? Why? Dear students, if we use computer, then hard disk we use mostly. Why? Because it is embedded, it is there in the CPU. So you can write we use hard disk frequently. Why? Because it is already embedded, it is already fixed inside the CPU. Differentiate between CD, DVD and Blu-ray with respect to storage capacity. So here you have to write only one point. CD stores 700 MB of data, DVD stores up to 4 GB of data, and Blu-ray stores up to 50 GB of data. So that's it for today. Complete this homework and submit this till tomorrow evening. Okay, thank you.